Deep in a cave where light barely reaches, a unique creature awakens, the master of the night and the silent guardian of the forests. Today you will discover the secret life of the bat. You open your eyes in a world covered in shadows, where sunlight is rarely your companion. You are not a bird, though your wings allow you to cross the skies. You are a unique mammal, a member of the order Chiroptera, a word that means winged hand. Your fingers have transformed into a delicate framework that supports a flexible membrane, making you the only mammal capable of true flight. Darkness is not your enemy. It is your territory, your home. Across the planet, more than 1,400 species like you inhabit forests, caves, deserts, and even cities. Only the coldest regions, like the poles, have denied you shelter. Your family is vast, forming the second largest group of mammals, surpassed only by rodents. Within your lineage exist tiny beings just 3 centimeters long and giant night flyers with wingspans of over 1.5 meters. Your flight is unlike that of birds. It is more agile, more erratic, filled with unexpected turns that allow you to hunt in enclosed spaces. While others need light, you have perfected a secret language, echolocation. You emit high-pitched sounds that your sensitive ears transform into a sonic map of your surroundings. In absolute darkness, you can sense walls, leaves, prey, and obstacles with a precision that defies human vision. You are, in truth, a creature crafted for the night. Where others stumble, you move with certainty. Where others are lost, you dance among branches and stones, guided by a sense that turns silence into vision. Your diet is as diverse as your species. If you were born an insect hunter, you spend the night devouring mosquitoes, moths, and beetles, keeping plagues under control that would otherwise devastate entire fields. If you are a fruit eater, you feast on figs, mangoes, or guavas, and in doing so, you scatter seeds that give birth to new forests. Others among your kin dive into nocturnal flowers to drink nectar, becoming pollinators as important as bees. There are also bats with bolder habits. Some become predators of small vertebrates, frogs, fish, reptiles, and even other bats. And within your darkest lineage dwell the rare blood feeders, just 3 species in all of Latin America, known as vampire bats. They drink the blood of birds and livestock, rarely humans, and though feared, they too play their role in nature. The variety of your feeding habits is what makes your species a keystone in ecological balance. Wherever you fly, life renews itself. Wherever you feed, natural cycles are sustained. Humanity, though it rarely realizes it, benefits silently from your every movement. Without you, fields would bear fewer fruits, forests would lose their regenerative power, and insects would dominate the land. Though some look upon you with fear, the truth is, you are an invisible guardian of ecosystems. Your life is measured not only in flights and hunts, but also in the passing on of your lineage. When breeding season arrives, the females, with patience and strength, carry new life within them. Most of you give birth to a single pup, for raising even one is an immense effort for a body built to fly. Twins are rare, though not impossible. The newborn enters the world naked and fragile, clinging to its mother's warmth. For weeks, it depends entirely on her milk, her care, and the safety of the colony. For the mother, carrying her young while flying or foraging is a survival challenge, but one perfected over millions of years. Males in most species limit their role to reproduction. They rarely stay to protect or feed their offspring. But there are exceptions. Some defend territories, lead groups, and even participate in guarding the young. In these cases, the male role becomes essential to social balance. The birth of a new bat is a miracle of endurance. Though each generation is born in silence and shadow, each pup ensures that the lineage continues to stretch across the night sky. You are not just another creature. Without human notice, you are a planter of forests, a guardian of seeds, and a pollinator of flowers that bloom only at night. Within your flight lies the regeneration of tropical jungles, deserts filled with cacti, and countless plant species that depend on you to live. Farmlands also benefit. While farmers sleep, You devour insects that would destroy their crops. Your presence is invisible, but your effect is immense. Quietly, you are humanity's ally. Yet ignorance has woven myths of fear around you, associating you with vampires, darkness, and omens of death. Here is where I ask you something. If this journey into the hidden world of bats has shown you truths you never imagined, help others discover it too. Subscribe to this channel, share this video, and join us in exploring creatures that seem born of fantasy but are real and vital to our planet. Your story deserves to be told. Each wingbeat in the night sustains the lives of countless beings who depend on you, and together, we can restore the respect your species deserves. Your gift of flight is also a limit. Raising many young would be impossible, which is why nature taught you to pour all your energy into one offspring. Nursing it and keeping it safe is already a monumental challenge for your light and fragile body. The same air that lifts your wings must carry the weight of new life. When night falls, you gather with your colony in caves, cracks, or hollow trees. There, thousands of wings intertwine in a symphony of squeaks and echoes. The colony shields you from cold, predators, and abandonment. Together you are strong. Together you are invincible against the silence of darkness, yet dangers surround you. From the sky, owls, hawks, and falcons stalk your flights. From the ground, snakes, cats, and carnivorous mammals strike when you rest. Even humans with fire and fear destroy your roosts, tearing you from your refuge, and still, you keep flying. Your kind has survived millions of years because the night protects you, and because the world, though unaware, needs your wings. Each night you soar above the forests. You strengthen the invisible web of life. Your small body holds evolutionary secrets that defy logic. A mammal that flies, that sees with its ears, and that nourishes an entire planet with its labor. The fear you inspire is not born of truth, but of the shadows that cloak your figure. Yes, some call you a creature of terror, a symbol of darkness or evil, but in reality your role is that of a silent guardian. Where others see darkness, you perceive a universe filled with sounds and hidden pathways. Your purpose goes beyond yourself. Thanks to you, insects do not multiply out of control. Trees grow anew, and nocturnal flowers find in you a faithful ally. Nature entrusted your wings with the task of sustaining life when the rest of the world sleeps. And though the modern world hunts you, your ancient habits remain intact. The night is still yours, and your ultrasonic song still writes a secret map in the air, one only you can read. You have seen how your existence is full of mystery, but also of purpose. You are not a monster of nightmares, but a vital thread in the fabric of the planet. Without you, forests would lose their strength, crops would suffer, and the night would fall into a dangerous silence. You are, in essence, a symbol of resilience. Even as humans destroy your caves and fear you, you continue your work. Even as they link you with evil, your true role is to preserve the balance of life. Each time your wings open in the darkness, the earth breathes a little easier. Your story is an invitation to look again at what we fear. In the shadows, there is beauty. In silence, there is power. And in the bat, this often misunderstood creature, lies one of nature's most precious secrets. Now I ask you, what other mysterious animal would you like to discover on this channel? Write it in the comments, because together we will keep traveling to the most hidden and astonishing corners of the animal kingdom. Which animal should we explore next? Leave your choice in the comments, give this video a like, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife facts.